impeachment process, we thank Mr. President for his fatherly effort so far that the governor and the deputy governor have both disregarded. Let me call on my colleague to say something concerning this issue. Thank you.
Shift. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I am Emilia Lucky Amade. I represent the good people of Obiakpo State Constituency 2. What Honorable Barile Wako just said now is that we have resolved to proceed with the impeachment process. We had earlier taken a position to consider a political solution, but the governor and deputy governor are ignoring us. And regarding the House of Authority to the ground, they are insisting on the Constitution and that nothing will happen. There are strong indications that they are adamant to continue with illegal actions in the state. And they are boasting that we do not matter and cannot perform oversight functions or even be ever allowed to pass an appropriation bill. They are telling us that directives of their why they continue it, and we consider these threats and their intentions a slap to the Supreme Court that gave judgment warning to governor and deputy governor. We must defend the institution of the legislature. And we call on all and sundry to rally round and resist enemies of our democracy. Finally, we extend our gratitude to Mr. President for doing so much for the peace for our support and prayers. Thank you.
Gentlemen of the press, my name is Honorable Major Jack. I represent the good people of Akugutoro Constituency 1. I'm an Niger man in the Rivers State House of Assembly. Today, we are about to tell Rivers people that what we are doing is institutional. There is no ethnic hate. Nobody ethnicity. We are here to defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of 1999 as amended. Therefore, we have urged Mr. Speaker to this House for us to sit and continue with the impeachment process. Thank you.
Gentlemen of the press, I'd love to clarify that impeachment is one of the mechanisms set up in the Constitution for checks and balances. Impeachment is not and should not have any ethnic agenda. My name is Linda Somiari Stewart. I represent the people of Okrika State Constituency. I'm a Niger woman. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Honorable Dokiton Smart. I represent the good people of Port Harcourt State Constituency 2. Just like my colleagues have said earlier, I think I have nothing much to add to it, but just to say what we intend or are about to do is one of our duties as legislators, which is to check or to oversight the executive. Section 118, subsection Section 7 had given out the constitution to check or to supervise or to investigate when there are allegations or notice of gross misconduct. Like I said earlier, I don't have much to add to it, but just impeachment is not a death sentence. As an Ijaw son, I'm saying to my Ijaw brothers that what we intend doing is ethnicity or tribal sentiment. Thank you very much and God bless you.
I'm Takenare Wellington Granville. I represent Masarauta Constituency 1. I'm an Ijaw son. I tried as much as possible when Peter Abi spoke to me, and I considered some of this. But the plans, the strategy of the governor, I must tell you, is to murder democracy. The strategy of the governor is to eliminate the legislative arm of government. So it's quite unfortunate. I can't help it. It's a constitutional matter. It's quite unfortunate that the governor is an authoritative governor, a strongman governor, and an executive autocrat. Sincerely speaking, never again Rivers people have such person. Thank you, and God bless.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Honorable Lolo Isaiah Opwende, Uturu Constituency 2. I am speaking as an Ijaw man, and nobody is more Ijaw than others. Those issuing threats, those who not go on, the of this problem. While we see the impeachment process, the governor was busy paying people to say they want to withdraw us from our constituency. Is that the right thing to do? If you need peace, you should have called the leadership of the assembly to say, what is the way forward? What do we do? But that is, and we should not put a particular problem that is impeachment is a constitutional matter, and the legislature take their own. For others to do their own. If you impeached, then peace and negotiate with the assembly. But you are not doing so. Rather, you are bringing up. You are creating pity party in the social media. We don't to sitting and
Press, the good people of Rivers State. My office, Kadban Andoni, the same federal constituency with the governor. I'm a man of integrity. As I'm saying to you today, there is nothing that we are doing that is not in the Constitution. The Supreme Court has summarized everything. There was no governance in Rivers State. And also said that we have a despot. Stop tribal sentiment is to look into the allegation one by one and check if there was any infringement on the Constitution. So it's a constitutional matter. I stand by what I have by it, and I still stand by it. So I thank you. The assembly to do the we are
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Honorable Arnold Davis. I'm of the Ijaw extraction. I was into the 10th Assembly to uphold to the Constitution, not to represent an ethnic group. What we are discussing here is all about Constitution. And we know we were elected to follow the Constitution as it is written in the 1999 Constitution as amended. What we are doing here today is not out of place. We are doing what we are elected to do. And 188 has given us the power to impeach the governor, the deputy, if infringe into the Constitution. So I want to join my to say that we are in line and we'll thank you.
I am Honorable John Dominic Derima. I represent Abu Aoudwa State Constituency. At the same time, I'm the Minority Chief Whip. I'm an Ijoson. Politics matter. I've heard and I'm calling. God bless.
Those in favor that the investigation should proceed are 25 in number. Against, nil. Abstention, nil. Distinguished colleagues, by this voting, the Rivers State House of Assembly has resolved that investigations against allegations of gross misconduct leveled against His Excellency Sir Senator Fubara, Governor of Rivers State, should proceed to the next level, which is investigation, and by virtue of Section 188, subsection 5, I will ensure that the resolution of this House is immediately communicated to the Chief Judge of Rivers State.